Hey, I hope you guys are having an amazing Thursday. I'm going to make this lesson the quickest lesson ever because I want you guys to spend time with your families and have a good day today. So we're on lesson 21 of math. So let's get started. We're going to start with our application problem. So 5 green frogs were sitting on the side of a pond. Draw the frogs. So I'm going to draw the 5 green frogs. Well, they're going to be brown because I don't have a green marker. 1, 2. See how easy it is to draw frogs? 3, 4. I'm gonna have to draw baby frogs to fit. And 5. 5 frogs. It was so hot that 2 of the frogs decided to go for a swim. So what should I do to those 2 frogs that decided to go for a swim? Cross them out. Very good. So I'm going to cross out 2 frogs. How many frogs were still at the side of the pond? You're right. 3. Very good. How can we write about our story in a number sentence? Well, what number do we start with? How many frogs were first at the pond all together? 5. And what symbol do we use when we're taking away? Minus. How many did we take away? 2. And 5 minus 2 equals how many were left at the pond? 3. We just wrote about our story in a number sentence. Now, I have a question. When we use a minus sign, what kind of number sentence is it? When we're taking away, what kind of number sentence is it? A subtraction sentence. And that's our code word for today, so I know that you watched this video. Subtraction sentence. A subtraction sentence is when we are taking away, when we're using minus. So let's read our subtraction sentence. Ready? Let's do it. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Say it by yourselves. Get ready. Five minus 2 equals 3. And that's it for today's application problem. So let's go on to the next part of our math lesson. Let's pretend that our cubes are frogs that are sitting by the edge of a pond. So I'm showing the 5 frogs with my cubes. I'm going to take 2 cubes away to show the frogs that decided to take a swim. How many frogs are left? 3. 3 frogs are left. So let's write a story about our takeaway number sentence or our subtraction sentence. So what number of frogs did we start with? 5. And what symbol do we use when we're taking away? Minus. And how many did we take away? 2 equals. And how many are left? 3. Very good. Never forget your equals so we know the final answer. Now let's read our number sentence. Get ready. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's do a different one. I'm going to erase my board and put my cubes away. Listen to my story, and I'm going to make a picture. There are 4 butterflies around a flower. So I'm going to draw the butterflies. 1. Ew, I don't like it. I'm going to try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 butterflies flying around a flower. 2 of the butterflies left to go to another flower. So what should I do to the 2 butterflies that left to go to another flower? Cross them out. Very good. I'm going to cross out the 2 butterflies that left to go to another flower. How many butterflies are still on the flower or still with the flower? 2. Very good. 2. There are still 2. So how would we write our number sentence about this story? What number of butterflies did we start with? 4. And when we're taking away, when we're subtracting, what symbol do we use? Minus. 4 minus. How many went to another flower? How many left us and went to another flower? 2. And what symbol should we never forget? R equals, because it tells us the answer. 4 minus 2 equals, and how many are left on the flower? How many are still here? 2. So let's read the number sentence together. Get ready. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now all by yourselves, read this number sentence, this subtraction sentence. Ready? Four minus 2 equals 2. Very good. Let's try another thing. Listen to my story. 5 children were playing in the park. So I'm going to draw the 5 children. I'm going to make it, this one's Violetta. Does it look like her? This one is Jacob. There's his hairs. This one is Rowan. Who else always participates in my math lessons? Ever. This one is Ever with his glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one, oh, it's a hard choice because I have 2 to pick from. So Jacob, Violetta, Rowan, Ever. I guess we'll do another girl. Laura. She also has bangs. Laura wears her hair down more, so maybe I'll put Violetta's hair. I'll do 2 buns because Violetta likes to wear the buns, right guys? So 5 children were playing in the park. Oh my gosh, I know these kids. 1 child had to go home for dinner. 1 child had to go home for dinner. I think it'll be Jacob had to go home for dinner. Oh no, I crossed him out. Jacob left us. Jacob left us. So how can we write a number sentence about Jacob leaving us to go to dinner? Oh, Jacob. Well, how many kids did we start with? 5. And what symbol do we use when we're taking away? So 5 minus how many kids left? 1. So 5 minus 1, and what is the symbol we should never forget? Equals. 5 minus 1 equals, how many kids are still playing in the playground? 4. Very good. Let's read the number sentence. Get ready. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Read it by yourselves. Get ready. Yes, 5 minus 1 equals 4. Amazing job on our concept development. Okay, so now we're on to our problem set. Tyler bought a cone with 4 scoops. He ate 1 scoop. Cross out 1 scoop. So you cross it out. 4 minus 1 equals 3, and you write it in the box. Eva ate ice cream too. She ate 2 scoops. So you cross out 2 scoops, and you write how many are left. Here it's very easy. There are 4 bottles. 3 of them broke. How many are left? 1. Very good. Next, Anthony had 5 erasers in his pencil box. So you need to draw those erasers. 5 rectangles. He dropped his pencil box and 4 erasers fell on the floor. So what should you do to those 4 erasers? Cross them out. How many erasers are in Anthony's pencil box now? Right, complete the number sentence. And the last one, Tanisha had 5 grapes. So you're gonna draw the 5 circles, because grapes are circles, right? 5 grapes on the paper. She gave 3 grapes to a friend. So what should you do to those 3 grapes? Cross it out. And how many grapes does Tanisha have now? We had 5. We took away 3. 2. You need to write the whole number sentence that time. And I know you can do it because we went over it the whole lesson. Bye, guys. Have a good day.